Did you know that sprinkling oregano on lit candles could be the solution to a problem that torments millions of people at home? When I tested this trick, I realized I would never again waste money on expensive products that promise miracles but solve nothing. Start by taking 2 whole candles and placing them in a pot. Turn the heat to low and let them melt slowly. While they melt, think about this for a moment. How many times have you bought sprays or electric repellents that only cover bad odors or keep insects away for a few minutes? I used to spend money on that all the time, but this trick changed everything. Once the wax has completely melted, turn off the heat. Remove the wicks carefully and save them, because we'll use them again. Now choose a glass container. It can be a small jar or cup. Avoid plastic because it can't handle the hot wax. Pour the melted wax inside. Now it's time to turn this into something powerful. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of oregano. Yes, oregano. That spice sitting in your kitchen cabinet is a natural aromatic repellent. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Besides the delicious smell, cinnamon enhances the fragrance and strength of the candle. Finally, add a generous amount of whole cloves. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural insect-repelling compound. This is what keeps mosquitoes, gnats, midges, and even bees away. Mix everything gently until well combined. Place the wick back into the center of the container and let the candle cool until it becomes firm. Once solid, trim the wick and your candle is ready. What you've just created is not just a candle. It's a natural aromatic repellent candle that makes your home smell warm and comforting, creates an invisible barrier that keeps insects away, and costs almost nothing to make. When you light it, the scent of oregano, cinnamon, and clove spreads through the house, making the environment both cozy and protected. Try it at home and come back later to tell me how it worked for you. Also, comment below where you're watching from. Share this video. I'm sure someone needs this tip right now. A big hug and see you in the next video.